class she because she sent Queenie for me. If she never sent Queenie for me, me and she wouldn't have nothing up to today, dear. I only powered she show up on me, I mean answer. Me never class she for Jaden. I never do that. I only interpret it so, but me know exactly because me know say at any given time Jaden is not a boy that loves when people rise and him not likes the people's success. Him not like nobody higher than him and him a come from a rock bottom. He should have humble for himself in any stead when they know. And I ask you. No. And it's just the truth. Jaden a fall and Jaden knows him a fall, that's why I alone think say Jaden up there. Everybody will call themselves king and queen of the app always flop. I will forever talk the truth. You know, I feel like me. You know, I feel like me. Me like your tenacity in getting where you at. But what do you do now when you reach by your day? That's the thing where I hurt you. Because you don't know what to do now. It's like giving a baby $1 million. And the mother forgot to spend it. And it's just the truth. That is just the truth. No ill feeling. You're in a position. I said, Jaden, you're in a position now. Make use of the position. You have to make use of the position. For years you've been doing this. What's next? You remember me and Rose, every time it now go fear we should take set pan Jade. Spend that shit. Spend that shit. Spend that. So the whole of them in them feelings for man. All of them in them feelings for man and for the truth. All of them. Jaden a talk about pick side. When the whole internet a class me and I talk oh me this and oh me that. If whoever see Jaden jump out and say, no man, she be a good youth. Low she be gonna come off of she be. Whoever see Jaden do that, Jaden go suck out your unwanted life. Yeah, whoever. Never. So when you talk about pick side, call Ramesh. Call him. All of them know the truth. Una come. A matter of fact, una avoid. Yeah, Jaden too careless the people around back and Jaden not come from nowhere. Then Jaden thinks he's supposed to have an army. Go on here, man. Jaden who can chat everybody with everybody. He have a mouth problem. He have a mouth problem. There's nothing left in the book that... Yeah, that Jaden though said there's nothing left in the book that every time you hear said this man said this. Pan phone. What I tell you say? Exactly. No, it's true. Yeah, you can't trust Jaden. Me dey pan live and Jaden had people pan live. You know TJ is uncomfortable being on camera with me. And you add TJ. Which is not bother me, you know. It must bother TJ. So world that put money upon him head. You know, she said Jaden's story still that simple means say she did right. When she said him say and some gunman put money upon him head. She was right then. So Jaden concur with she did that say there. Since Jaden concur with she did I say. So all of a sudden the world that put money upon him head. World that put money upon Jaden head and the house not sell yet. And world that a plan to sell the house. Him like to incriminate people. Jaden is the devil's ass. Jaden is demonic. Him say pan able head. So our world that have so much money for put on people head. Then now which part Jaden hear the story you know. How Jaden hears the world that put money on able head. What kind of secret conversation Jaden and them have about world dog? See them accept world dog on them program. But tell you so them know with nobody. Jaden, let me tell you, the devil will cause a lot of ruckus in order to stay relevant and uses people to be known. And that's what Jaden is doing. Jaden use everybody to stay relevant. The day when Jaden starts sending people requests and them start ignoring him is the day Jaden will understand that he's a nobody. He might go remember him pass and dress up. It's true. Queen are true. Everybody's so rich I put money upon people's head. And a Jaden have all the information. Then oh, you have all of the information here. And you sit down with World Dog and play with him. No, so go on do your thing. When I show saying that Jaden a set of people. Oh. He's one of the biggest instigator on the app. And it's true. Me see him tear down Shay. And him not have nothing name content because everybody have them own a content when I involve him. And him turn on him live and him start repeat about all of the argument about Shay what him said before. What? If you're gonna mock Shay, you mock Shay, you mock Queenie. What you go over the argument for? I'm still gonna shake my head so. I'm gonna say that boy, yeah. He knows exactly what he's doing because he's not talented. Somebody say you switch teacher, you don't have no intelligence, that's why you say my switch. All me a talk about Shay is a drunkard and she deserves everything. It's still not change the fact that Jaden is a mix-up, that's why I could accept Shay name out. What is in it you don't understand? What me I say, what you mean switch? Me and Jaden never signed by the hip. Me and Jaden never signed by the hip. What kind of contract me and Jaden signed?
People like that now, then we make people do things, you know.
Exactly.
With it all the time.
But if me pick up for Jaden out a good name, so for instance, me I look good name. Me that have a problem with Jaden not standing up for me the way me I stand up for him. Do I have a problem like that? Why it's upsetting to Jaden that me can speak my truth and anytime I spoke against his bad behavior, it becomes a problem to him. Why? The truth is the truth. Me nobody look at Shay and say, Shay, when your turn come, me I go do it the same thing. And you look at Shay and say that. Exactly. Jaden not like nobody but himself. You never know. Jaden not like nobody but himself. And Jaden alone must strive. So like I just wake, no pressure me on. And him alone must strive. And enough time I sit down, so I must say one thing with Jaden, him I go find the people them where I mention and go up on them live. You know enough time it's sweet when them the boy them run him off of them live. Him like to upstage people's life. And what is Jaden's problem is that when him come over me, him can't do that. Him can't come over me and get no real. When him can go over everybody else's life and get a real, him can't come over my life and get no real. You know, enough time him say, you know what? Let me leave you, so yeah, man. Yeah, you gotta leave. Yeah, he gotta leave? Walk out the door. It's true. Thank you, Queen. It's just the truth. It's just the truth. Remember me alone on the second team on the app and I realize it's me alone come. And me alone can sit down, you know, and do my life, you know, by myself while others have to send me request. You know that? Wanna notice that? Wanna never notice that yet? Me alone sit down and do my life while everybody else come over here and send me request. So how me switchy? How me switchy?
Then don't see.
When from day one on the know say I'm me alone sit down here so. Whether me a mention or me not mention, whether the internet a rub me or them a dub me, and me alone sit down here so and run my show. Me no make no girl and boy run my show. Let me tell you that me alone, me no need no crowd and no company for my live mention. No way, Jose. I never sent Jaden a request yet. So what am I going to say about me? Say me a hypocrite, I never send you a request yet. Never yet. Never. Because as much as I talk to me like you, I never like being on the live with you. Never. Never. Because it's not my cup of tea them way there. Yeah, I'm a porridge. You never know. So when the whole of this thing on attack, we don't have no hold for me. None. But anyways, moving right along. What next? Well, Jaga put out Zoe prescription. So everybody in any family ill, you know, see on them complexion. Everybody in any family ill. Dirt alert. Hmm? Me dey tell liar this, you know. It's when liar walk and pick up the GX. Me dey tell liar this, you know. Me dey talk this, you know. So GX is a licky brother, you know. Let me tell you this. Me happy for the fact that GX get the boss out. But you see from I see how GX the Ivan for one line where Rosalie send him. Me drop and pack up. I drop everything and pack up. Oh, you mean him should do it though? Jagger wrong. Where Jagger wrong with? Where Jagger wrong with my baby? Eh? Where Jagger wrong with? Is that where I cry? Where Jagger wrong with? Where Jagger wrong with? When the Zoe? When the Zoe? When I? For video it? When video? But she's a child, yeah, but when video? When video? When video is video in video kissing and with the prescriptions and a STI shab. When I got a child have HIV. The little baby with adult infection. After Zoe not a baby. Zoe is not a baby. Mary breed when she was 14. Zoe is not a baby. Then you can have a brother living in the house and you have so much girl in the house plus mother and every girl careless. Then what kind of image the man, the youth have out the door? Me tell you every day I need this family them. I need this family them for the internet. A lot of us sacrifice people for the internet and they give up our children's them. Our children's them, and they give up our children's identity just to be famous on the internet. Remember, sir, we know I need to bring in on everybody on the app. Is Annie do it? When I hear Jagger, cause Anya the only time, I say me no wrong Jagger. Me no wrong Jagger. If I did some boy them beat Anya's son, me not ask you. I need to get a ratted beating as a mother from our son. Me not ask you. Some man no mama they think me can have my mother and my mother I'll take all a 20-year-old man and me know say she are 200. Eh? You think me can have my mother we are 250 and she take all a boy we are 31. You must say mad. If me not have the willpower, cause me not gonna lick my mother. Me abandon my mother, period. Dead or alive, she could have dead, don't call me. Me not ask you, she could have dead and a rotten, don't call me. Do not call me. Me not ask you. Me not ask you. My parents, they are not my idols. Me not have no idols before God. God are my idol. Me no love no mother, no father, no brother, no sister over God Almighty. The all of them can go for me. All of them can go. From my mother, to my father, to my sister, to my brain. Everybody can go through the door for me. Honestly, I am willing to give up on my mother, my father, my brother, my anybody for Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Me not run them joking. Me not love my mother more than God. Never, ever, ever. You must be mad. You mean I run them joke there? God come first. God come first. Second and third. Everybody else coming at the teens. So you know say God take up from 1 to 12. Yeah, I am not kidding. I am not kidding. Me not ask you. Me not ask Uno, that's when I say Uno go all out for no picnic them and Uno make them an idol in our face. That is why not even friends me put over the word of Almighty God. Once me feel say you're wrong, me I go tell you the nicest way. It's oh you take it, me respond. It's oh you take it, me respond. Me not ask no question. At the end of the day, God cover me from all of them negativity upon the app like all Jaden them. And God have to cover me under them blood. Yeah? The whole of them in the island vile, that's why them so kinky. The whole of them are rub up. And them demon that turn them in an idiot. But we don't see it. And them demon that turn them in an idiot. Yeah? It's true. Manifest, you have to communicate with intelligent people only. Because everybody want to dry in a nonsense. This is how I feel. And then them go one side and say, yeah man, I control the crowd. Huh? No motherless boy, no fatherless boy could have never have me around behind them. Jaden for company program and say, sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Yeah, it's true. Can't get me for run behind Uno. Uno too evil. Say, and you bring the whole affairs, people them come sacrifice to the app and still can't reach nowhere. Then Zoe did have to have everything in the world, all sort of sickness. Zoe supposed to have everything. Remember, Anya their mother, so we don't know if Mika bring forth infection too. We don't know. And then you know for talk about these things and how them behave. What's their behavior in the app? Look how long Zoe and you collect money for Zoe got school. Zoe got school appear robbery. Me no wrong Jagger. Jagger should have kicked out Annie and then me no wrong Jagger. You can't have a male son and your sister behave like mother. Mother behave like daughter. It's just not an image on the man. Mr. Chenille wrap up Annie and I pick them. They mean even know so Zoe take things behind this or so. Is that Batty family? They mean never wrong. When I say everybody in their family I take this and take that. Left the people them alone, man. Me I gonna leave them alone because you are them. At her age, she's sexually active. How you work out that? Enough time them say Annie for Zoe for go to school. All I know Zoe can't in one class, you know.
Yeah.
At her age. Now we're moving right along because I mix up Monday. Liar and Jakes. Liar. When I tell you say you should have dropped Jakes on him face. You know why Rosalie did have Jakes on that wing, so? Because Jakes' money never passed 5 grand yet. Jakes' money never passed $5,000 yet. Rosalie could have used $1,000 and bribe Jakes. You never know. And him did love her. Don't. Him did love her. So Jakes one of them was switchy as Liar said something, you know. Liar said Jakes make him gift as them control him. And it's true. All Jakes are free at how much gift him can get. I saw. Liar was right. I'm not gonna lie. When Liar said Jakes make him gift us, cause it's true. It's true. No, it's true. Liar said she need 3 phone. Yeah. At that reach Liar. Cause Liar I got all out for Jakes. Me never got all out for Jakes.